now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning, say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Baby make you ginger me.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I'm rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned. Okay divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Cranberry hair. So thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I greatly appreciate it. But yeah divas, without further ado, if you guys want to know all the details and the specs, how I styled this hair and how I feel about it, everything, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so today I have a unit from Cranberry hair, and I have their Brazilian straight in 24 inches, and I'm just unboxing it to show you guys like what everything it comes with, and I'm trying to show you guys this 24 inches. So here's the hair straight out of the pack, and it looks really gorgeous and silky and soft. So this unit is average head friendly. It does come with 2 combs in the front as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and it also features a 4x4 parting area, which looks good so far. I did go in and bleach the knots, as you guys will see later on in the video. This unit does fall like this on me, and I am 5'2", in case you want to use that as a height reference. And then here I'm going in and showing you guys apart. It does need to be plugged just a little bit because it is a little bit dense, but I'm going to make this unit work for me, and I'll let you guys just watch, and of course I'll finish out with my closing thoughts. Oh yeah, and as far as shedding and tangling, I did experience very minimal shedding and tangling. And now I'm going to go ahead and style this unit and make it work for me. I'm going to blow dry it, flat iron it, all that good stuff. Okay, divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs, let's go ahead and talk about how I feel about it. So jumping right in, I love this hair, you guys. It is so freaking soft, like super soft. I love how sleek it is, and I love how it has like that natural full density, so it's not like too much hair, and I could still, you know, wear my inches, because I know you can't see it in the frame, but I think this is like 24 inches or 22 inches. I don't know, I'm short, so you know, most stuff is long on me. But yeah, everything will be in the description box below as well, like all the details. I just can't remember them right off the bat. But this hair is super duper bomb, like OMG, like cranberry hair, like come through. This hair is really nice. Like, do you guys see this? Like, and I love the fact that although I flat ironed it and it has like that sleek look, it still has like some natural texture in it. I don't know if you guys could tell, but like in person I could tell like it has like some natural texture in it, and the hair is not flat. Like, I love the fact that it has like that little bit of texture. So although I have like that sleek flat iron look, it's just not like super flat, because you guys know, and if you don't know, I love like hair that has volume. Like, I don't like it to be too flat. So yeah, I'm really loving this. Like, overall I really think like this is my favorite straight hair, like by far. Now let's go ahead and talk about the closure. I did go in and pluck the closure just a little bit, and then I adhered it down with the Got to Be Glue spray. So I did pluck the hairline a little bit, as well as the parting space, as you guys can see, and it looks really good. And even though I only plucked the hairline a little bit, it melts like right in. Like, all this from here on is the wig, so it melts very, very well into my skin. And it just looks so good. Like, I'm just so very impressed with this unit, okay, you guys. Like, it's just so freaking pretty. Like, oh my gosh, like I can't believe it. Like, you know, usually straight hair, you're like, oh, okay, you know, it's nice, you know, whatever. But this hair is really, really nice, and it's super affordable. So, you know, usually you don't run into that, and I just can't even stop running my fingers through it because it's so soft and smooth. I don't experience like any shedding or tangling while I'm running my hair through. Now, when I did wash this hair before I dyed it, I did experience a little bit of shedding, but nothing that was too drastic. And I did not experience any tangling with this hair whatsoever, which was absolutely amazing as well. I'm sure that all hair tangles, but I have not experienced any so far. And yeah, so this hair is, you guys, like, you need to get this. Like, and look at this closure. I didn't put any powder or anything, like, and it looks so freaking good. It's a transparent lace, and it's just so freaking nice, you guys. Like, I'm just so impressed with this. Like, sis, you need to spend your coins on this human hair, okay? This hair is the bomb, for real. Like, and then it's like, it's super affordable, and it's just so nice. Like, I love it. The density on it is nice. Like, it has like body, even though it's just straight hair, it has the volume. Like, it's just, it's there for me. Like, I'm really liking this hair. So yeah, divas, now that I've established that I really like this hair, I will definitely have links down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check them out. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous girls and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl, because I do upload quite often, and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.